We're at Fort Kearny State Recreational Park, checking out the bike trails today. Took the grandparents, they're gonna go look for a bench while Dad and I get some exercise. Guys like it here?
What is that black stuff? Is that flies?
Might be mouse poop.
That's flies?
Cougar.
Guess we'll see who's faster on the bike.
Run fast just after
Yeah.
run faster than you.
Yep.
Like a little house back in there.
Yeah, I never saw that one before. We need to take the bikes when you're feeling really adventurous to Central City. And go on the Dark Island Trail there. They have a really nice bike path. Hold on, I need to look at this view. Yeah, we'll see if my camera gets it nice. Very picturesque. Too bumpy. Walking is good when you're like taking a slower pace, but like I love bike riding because you get to see so much. Like even in town when we go riding, we get to see a lot of different neighborhoods. And I don't get tired because I'm sitting. And if you know how to use your gears right, it's really not too strenuous. It's like the perfect amount of motion.
Just find the right bicycle seat.
I know. How's yours today? Is it holding up?
I mean, I can go so long when I start getting hard too.
We need to find you a better one soon.
Maybe if you had one of those cruiser bicycles.
Like you might like a town bike better actually. I mean these mountain bikes are nice if we want to take them on like dirt trails and stuff, but if you're a town rider, usually those bikes are more comfortable.
Yeah.
The seats and everything. Yeah, I guess this trail goes clear into Kearny and continues on that trail that goes by the movie theater.
Yeah.
Nice little scenic view at the end of this trail at Fort Kearny. Probably won't pick it up, but there's a semi. That's the interstate back that way, which this trail will continue clear on into Kearny. They have a really nice bike trail. Good job, Kearny. And they even have a kayaking canal that goes right beside it. I would love to take my dad there next year since we now have inflatable kayaks that we can transport easier. But yeah, Kearney's really improving their outdoor recreation areas. I appreciate it. Beautiful view. It's not even really evening yet, but kind of a sunset, picturesque view over the plains of Nebraska. And yeah, plenty of these nice little rest areas where you can sit and take a break. Hello. Another good viewpoint. Watch the cranes. I bet this would be a good spot during that migration season. Wonder how full it gets out here. I guess Wood River gets packed every year. Yeah, that kayak group from Kearney, they always take people, and I see them floating underneath this bridge. Yeah, the water's probably back up. Now that we're not irrigating. Probably wouldn't be a terrible time to go. This section looks good.
This has got some beauty.
Right next to the interstate. I know Kearney's doing a lot. They offer more than most cities this side of the state. Now before this was paved, my friend Grant, you know Grant, I used to act with, we used to park across the interstate and go through this tunnel, but down here on the left there was a supposed witch's grave. And there's like a little altar set up where some pagans or whatever from Nebraska would come out and do some type of ritual, or I don't know. There's some witchcraft going on over there.
Goodness.
Spooky! Now we go under the interstate.
Hope it don't collapse.
Guess it's our time. Find what you look. That way goes to Kearney. Let's go look at the map though. That would be helpful for this video. So, the archway is another 2.6 miles. 2nd Avenue is almost 6 miles. Yanni Park, 7.5. Yep.
8 miles from the university.
I always like looking at the artwork inside these places. Some of them are good. Hello! Set, go!
Hell. Oh, we're going against the wind.
What wind?
Got a rope on there.
This ain't wind. What you did in Grandma's hallway was wind.
It's outside.
Oh, watch out, Dad.
Hi there.
Hello, how's it going?
Thank you.
Yep. Oh. They're over there to the left. Find a good pond? He locked you out? He didn't give you the keys? Shame on him.
So, here's it.
Go chew them out.
It's nice over here. There's two people with kayaks in the water.
Oh yeah, nice.
And I saw a bicyclist.